I just got home from getting it done and she didn't really straighten out my edges or anything, but okay, Ricardo and I are trying to do a prank on Nelly. Him and her went outside to get oranges because we were gonna watch a show and then eat oranges, and I was supposed to prepare them because I'm gonna put chamoy and shit on them. We have these little noodles things, and Ricardo's gonna pretend to like bite on it and crack his neck. You guys will see right now. All right, hopefully it works.
Okay, so Ricardo's gonna crack Edith's back. There we go. Please don't kill me.
I'll try. Breathe in.
Don't do it so hard.
Breathe in.
Oh! I don't think the camera heard that. Let me get closer. Breathe in. Breathe out.
No, that's it. You got nothing else.
My turn. I want to do it.
Okay.
Oh.
That was one.
Oh.
Oh! You're like, don't fart. Nelly, you're gonna crack Ricardo's back now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, do the bottom first.
The bottom right here?
Huh?
Okay, ready? Breathe in.
Oh, okay, do the top, do the top, do the top. Do the top, hurry.
Nelly, break his back.
Breathe in.
Oh!
Nelly!
I can't move, I can't move.
Nelly, what did you do?
Wait, I'm being for real, I can't move.
Are you okay? Babe, are you
I'm being
okay?
for real, like I think you cracked.
Wait,
too
hold
much.
on.
I really can't move.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Like I can't feel my body right now.
Don't
I'm being
move
dead
it!
serious.
Dude, you broke his back.
Oh. Oh. Wait.
Are you okay?
I can't feel my body right now.
Can you try to
Like
move?
I can't.
You don't feel your back?
Mm.
Try to move your leg.
I can't. I literally can't. Oh. I just feel numbness right now.
Wait, are you serious?
I'm being dead serious. Like you might need to get my phone and call the ambulance.
Liar, really? Try to move your foot.
I can't.
Babe.
Pick it up or something. I won't be able to feel it.
Liar, try to move it.
I can't. I can't. I don't feel that. Like my back is numb. My back is numb.
Try to move it.
I can't move. I can't feel anything. My back.
Ricardo, you're messing with me.
I'm being dead serious. I can't, like,
Did you hear that crack?
my back has never cracked that loud before.
It sounded like something broke.
Oh.
Like,
How would I break something?
Did you, how are your hands?
Huh? Like
How are your
this.
hands? I don't know. My
is
body,
that my sock?
I can't move.
I don't know.
Babe, I can't fucking move and you're already
What
wearing
am
a
I-
fucking sock.
What? I don't know what to do, baby. Nelly.
What am I supposed to do?
Oh.
Well, you can move your hand.
Mm.
Just slow. That's how I felt when I fell down the stairs. I couldn't move my body. I was like that for a good,
Baby, can you try to like go up?
I can just move my neck. I can't feel anything down. Nelly, can you get? I have something in my left pocket. Can you get it for me? No, my left, my my front pocket. Just like flip my side over and just like fuck it, cause I don't.
This one?
Yeah. What is that?
What the?
What is that?
She was about to start crying. Wait, are you okay?
Prank, baby!
Stop hiding!
Prank. She wants to prank everybody. Oh, when I prank you, it's okay.
You're so.
Why are you crying?
She was getting hella soggy. Look at this. Did I actually get you?
Why are you crying?
I like how Nelly.
I felt bad.
I like how earlier Nelly's like, now that I'm here, I can help you do pranks. Like, I'll be able to set the camera for you. Stop crying when he was
I know,
play.
stop crying.
So mean. I felt so bad. So mean.
She was grabbing my leg, picking it up and everything. I can't go down. He can move his neck though. At that point, I'm like, Nelly has to sign us out.
No.
No, you
Yeah.
have to sign. That's the rule.
Yeah.
That's the rule.
That's the rule.
We did it to your sisters. That's the rule. You have to sign us out.
Yeah.
You gotta like.
Bye.
No, you gotta like, share, subscribe, all that good
Yeah.
shit.
Go.
No.
Go.
Go.
Say it.
Like, share, and subscribe.